So we got here the box that has a little red paint, if you can see it. That's the damage of the box. This is the car's body that it's a bit green, as you see. That's the test paint, that's why it is used. On the other side we got the instructions to build it. And the tires are like new. And this is the seal. It's sealed, it's factory sealed. It's factory sealed the ingots of the car, as you can see. The doors and this stuff, the doors here and the other stuff are white. Thanks God he didn't paint that green too. Yeah. So we got one car, Transit Ford, as you see, with test paint in green, almost green, and the instructions. We miss the Canon stickers. We missed the Canon stickers and we got that body at green. That's the two defects. Okay.